Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another trigger scenario based question. So let's discuss our scenario first. Write a trigger to prevent deletion of accounts that have related opportunities. So without wasting more time, let's start our coding. So this is my developer console. I have created two files. One is for trigger named account trigger. Another is for helper named account helper. So today's scenario is prevent account deletion if there is related opportunity exist. For that purpose, I have performed before delete event and always write the condition if trigger dot is before and trigger dot is delete, and now call the method name, which method name I will be create in the helper class dot prevent deletion, prevent account deletion with trigger dot old, which contain old version of the S object record. Now time to create the method in helper class. So public static void account deletion with list of account with ACC list, and now one by one logic. So first of all, collect all account IDs from account. So for that purpose, I have write for loop and iterate through the account list, which account list means old account list, and now here define one set of id acc ids equal to new set of id, and acc ids dot add acc dot id, and now again write for loop with aggregate result, and my aggregate query is select account id and count of opportunity means count of id from opportunity where account id in my acc ids which contain the old account id, and with group by account id. Now here define map contain one id with integer. So map of opportunity equal to new map of id comma integer, and now catch acc id equal to dot get account id and integer opp count equal to, here write the id, convert the account id, here integer dot get total opp, and now map of opportunity dot put acc id with opp count, and now again iterate through the acc list, and here check if map of opportunity dot contains key. I have used map here, so that's why I have used contains key. acc.id. If there is acc.id exists, and now check if map of opportunity dot get c.id greater than 0. Now write acc.add_error account cannot be deleted. So this is my code for helper class, and this is my trigger, and this is my logic, business logic, where I have prevent the deletion. Now time to testing. So first check this account related with two opportunity. So now if I want to delete that account, what happening? So account cannot be deleted because there is already related opportunity exist. And now again I create one account which does not contain opportunity. No OPP. And now save it. And now check this not OPP, no OPP does not contain any opportunity. So now if I go there and if I want to delete, so this is easily deleted, means my code is working fine. If you found my video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. I will be back with more scenario based questions. Thanks for watching.